today I'm going to teach you OOPS concept. Okay, please note it down. What is OOPS? What is OOPS?
Spell, sir.
OOPS. Object oriented programming system. Object oriented programming system.
Yes, sir. Noted, sir.
Today date is November 8, right?
Yes, sir.
It's okay. Okay, so what is OOPS na? Object oriented programming system. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So then why we are using OOPS, sir? Okay. Why we are using OOPS, sir? That in the sense, please listen carefully. It's very important topic. Okay. Before that, you must use this one. Okay. A real world entity. Okay. It is aimed to implement real world entities. Okay. What is OOPS la? Object oriented. OOPS stands for object oriented programming systems. Okay, and it is aimed to implement. It is aim to implement real world entities. Real world entities. Okay, real world entities na like bracket I should add. Okay, class and object. Class and object, inheritance. Okay, inheritance, class and the object. Class and the object, inheritance. Okay, class and object, inheritance. Polymorphism. Encapsulation. Okay, abstraction, data abstraction. Okay, data abstraction 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, there are 5 OOPS concept. Okay, so these are all OOPS concept. Okay, please note it down.
Okay, sir.
Class and object, inheritance, polymorphism, encapsulation, data abstraction. Note it down.
Noted, sir.
Okay, good.
Yes, sir.
So now, sir, what is the first OOPS concept is class and object. Okay, what is class, sir? That in the sense, class is a collection of data or collection of objects. Please note it down. What is class? Okay, class is a collection of object. Okay, or collection of data or collection of object. Okay, class is a collection of objects. Plural I should mention. Class is a collection of objects. Okay, so the class keyword syntax is class keyword, class name. Class name, any name you can use, print colon and click enter and print the statement. Okay, so this is a syntax. Please note it down.
Noted, sir.
Noted, right? Okay, good. And what is object? Object, sir. Object is a, what is object na? Instance of the class. Instance of the class. Instance of the class or blueprint of the class.
Noted, sir.
Not that right? Okay, good. So now object syntax is the class straight you should mention object name equal to the class name around bracket. Okay. So this is a class and object syntax. Please note it down.
Noted, sir.
Okay, so the class and object, how to write a implement the code, sir? That in the sense, okay, class name like students. Okay, students is my class name. Okay, students colon click enter and def double underscore init and self. Okay, so this is I will tell you why sir we are using this one like first name comma last name comma age colon click enter and self dot first name equal to first name and self dot last name equal to last name and self dot age equal to age. Okay, so this is a constructor. Please note it down. This is called init constructor. Please note it down. This is called, the setup is called init constructor. Okay, so what is init constructor? Please note it down. Interview question. What is init constructor? What is init constructor? That in the sense automatically assign a value to the object. Automatically assign a value to the object. Automatically assign a value to the object.
Noted, sir.
Okay, so then what is self na? Self is a keyword. Please note it down. Interview question. Self is a keyword to identify a class. Self is a keyword to identify a class. Self is a keyword to identify a class.
Noted, sir.
Okay, good. So now every time you are creating a method, this is a function. Okay, but Oops we called generally we called method. Okay, both are same. But Python generally we called function, right? But in Oops we called method. Okay, you understood, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this method, whenever you are creating any method in Oops concept, okay, you must to give self. It's very important. Okay, self keyword is very important. And as usual, argument first name, last name, age. So this is the attributes. Please note it down. Attributes. Self dot first name equal to first name na. The self dot first name the attribute. So this attribute da you should use your inside the methods. Okay, please note it down. Attributes. Attributes means it's like a variables. Okay.
Noted, sir.
Noted, right? Okay, good. So now def. Okay, I'm going to create one method. Python students. Okay, round bracket self. It's very important. Just now I told you, na. Okay. So and the print like f string first name is curly brackets self dot first name that attribute you should use and last name is self dot last name. Okay, and age is self dot age. Okay, clear? Now you can create some other method also. Age checking. Okay, self. Okay, any method you can create. Okay, and if self dot age greater than or equal to 18 na, okay, print you can vote. You can vote. Otherwise you cannot vote. Else you cannot vote.
Sir, line number 13. First name, last name, spelling mistakes.
Okay. Oh, this one now. Okay, now that is not a issue. Okay, first name, that just last name. Okay. So now, so this one, okay. So this is a method, okay. For first name na, wait, the self dot first name na you should give. Self dot last name, the attribute na you should give. Okay, that's the reason I'm giving attribute. Self dot age. Okay. So this is one method. This is one method. Okay. You understood, right?
हाँ सर.
The entire method inside the class is there, student class la. Okay, how to write a object name, any name, object one. This is my object name equal to students round bracket. Okay, now the class name that I should give. Okay, this is syntax, right? So the first name you should give a value like a Keithan. Last name you should give a value Raj. Age you should give a value 30 or 20. Okay, now how to run the code na? Object one dot which method you want to run? Okay, age checking. I want to run age checking na, just round bracket. When I run that code na, that particular function will execute. That particular method will execute. Okay, the structure of the coding is there, right? That is a OOPS concept. Okay, like when I run that code now, what output will come? You can what will display because your age is, what is your age? 20. Correct? Yes or no? Tell me, Ketan.
Yes sir.
I
Yes,
want to
sir.
run another method, sir. Na Python students method I want to run. Na just call the function. That's all. Okay, what output will come? Okay, you can vote and first name is Keithan and last name is Raj and age is 20. That's all. You understood, right? In common, we are writing the functions, the methods, and what? Okay, when needed, na we can call the function. Okay, you understood, right?
Yes
Okay,
sir, I understand.
the every codings are the structure of the code is there. Na this is called OOPS concept. You understood, right? Okay,
Yes sir.
this is a OOPS. Okay, please
In
take a
real
photo.
time project where
Yeah, the real time project la the same thing. Okay, wow. Mostly we are not using the real time project. Okay, the basis la they are asking. Okay, mostly the interviews la they are asking what is OOPS, blah, what are the OOPS, what is class and object. So these type of questions that they are asking. Okay, and can you please write on example code na? You should write this code. Okay.
okay sir.
In real time la I will tell you later. Okay, but your Django once we enter in Django na I will tell you. Okay.
Okay sir.
Please take a photocopy.
Taken sir.
Taken, right? Okay,
Yes sir.
so okay, please mute your mic once. Okay, so now you have to I will give an assignment. Okay, what assignment na? The class and object la some other example. Okay, some other example you should write a code. Okay, and I need a 10 attributes. Okay, now I am giving a 3 only. You should give 10 attributes and 5 functions. You understood, right?
Yes sir, I understood sir.
5 method I should write and call the run the every method. Okay, and so this is your assignment. Okay, so the class and object this is the best example. Okay, clear?
Clear sir.
Okay, good. So now the next OOPS concept is inheritance. Please note it down. Inheritance. Okay, so what is inheritance now? One class is derived from another class. One class is derived from another class. One class is derived from another class.
Noted sir.
Okay, good. So please listen carefully. But now the how one class is derived from another class na, like class. Please listen carefully. Class. Okay. Now one story I'm telling. But now you are a student. Okay. When you are studying college. Okay. Now you can able to see your attendance only. Correct. But student can be able to see student attendance. Okay, but teacher can able to see student attendance and teacher attendance also, right? Yes or no?
Yes sir.
So that in the sense in coding in real time la this is a logic, right? In real time la how to implement the code na? So the class student, okay, colon click enter, and def double underscore init, okay, the self like just I'm giving comma yes name na student name, okay, and yes attendance. student attendance, colon, click enter. Self dot s name equal to s name, and self dot s attendance equal to s attendance. Okay, I'm creating one attribute. Now I'm creating one student method, like student attendance, round bracket, self, colon, click enter. So print la f string la, okay, like the student s name, self dot s name. So this person attendance is self dot s attendance. Okay, so now the student, okay, I'm creating one method. Okay, now another one class I'm creating, class teacher. Okay, the teacher la the student I should mention. This is a one class is derived to another class or derived from another class. So this is a inheritance. Okay, clear, right? Keithan?
Clear, sir.
The
Clear,
class
sir.
la you should mention the this student name. Okay, the student class name. Okay, now the teacher is separate. I have to write def init. Okay, the self comma t name na teacher name, t attendance na teacher attendance. Okay, and colon, click enter, and self dot t name equal to t name. Okay, and self dot t attendance na teacher attendance equal to t teacher attendance. Okay, now a student can access student data, teacher can access teacher data, right? So def teacher teacher attendance. Print la f string la self dot t name. So this teacher attendance is self dot t attendance. Okay, clear? Okay, but now sir at the separator I'm running now, but student can access student attendance, teacher can access teacher attendance, but teacher wants to access student data now. How to do that? So that in the sense we need to use this concept, like the student dot, okay, the entire thing I should copy and paste it inside this one. This is called invoking the method. Invoking the method. So and this s name you should add comma s name and comma s attendance. Clear, right? Tell me,
Clear,
Kiran.
sir.
Why sir the invoking the method na? Then only the teacher can access student data also, student attendance also. You understood, right? Okay, so that only one line I should add. Okay, under the parameter you should add that student data also. Okay, now I'm going to run. Now I'm going to create an object. Student I'm just calling. Okay, the student calling na object one dot student can access student attendance only, right? So student attendance method I'm calling. What output will come? Okay, so oh sorry, s name s attendance is a spelling mistake I think. Sorry. So the student attendance is s name is Keithan. Okay, s attendance is 40% or 80% attendance or 70% attendance. Okay, so when I run that code now, what output will come? Okay. Why? Oh, sorry. I'm just giving inside this one. Okay, the calling the function I should mention. Okay, now Keithan, this person attendance is 70%. You understood, right? Yes or no? A student can access their attendance, right? Yes or no? Tell me, Keithan.
Yes, sir.
But
Yes, sir.
students want to access teacher attendance na. Now when I run that code, teacher attendance. Okay, when I run that code na, it's showing error. Okay, error, right? Attribute error, because student cannot access teacher data. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, but now I am a teacher. Okay, I just comment this code. Now I am a teacher. Okay, another one object I'm creating. Object 2 equal to teacher I'm calling. the teacher la the parameter teacher t name first. This parameter ke I should give. But t name is Vignesh teacher. Percentage is 80 percentage, and the command student name is Keithan, and percentage is 70 percentage. Okay, so this order la I should give. Okay, the t name, t attendance, yes name, this order I should give a value. Now I am going to access my data attendance first. Okay, teacher attendance, and I am going to access object on that student attendance also. Okay, clear? So now when I run that code now, so for Vignesh, this teacher attendance is 80%, Keithan, this person attendance is 70%. Now I can access my attendance and student attendance also, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So this is the inheritance. You understood, right? So the procedure of the code is there, right? The structure of the code is there, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Inheritance means
Yeah.
invoke and inherit difference.
Yes. Yeah, one class is derived from another class. Okay, one person can access one data, but another person can access multiple data. So that's the reason we are using this inheritance concept. Clear?
Clear, sir.
Okay, please take a photocopy.
Taken, sir.
Take it, right? So this one you should give a write down example code. Okay, assignment. Clear?
Clear, sir.
Okay, good. So now the next one, encapsulation. Please note it down. Encapsulation. Encapsulation na, what is encapsulation na? Just secure your data or wrapping your data. Secure your data or wrapping your data. So I'm just telling the shortcut, okay, short way of explanation. Okay, you have to learn internet also as well, because theory is very important. Clear? Clear, right?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
What is class and object? What is inheritance? What is encapsulation? So you okay, you must to learn internet also, because just the theory purpose. Okay, the coding, it's my coding. You should just practice it, and interview they are asking, just you write this code. Okay. Okay, good. So now the encapsulation now, what is encapsulation, sir? That in the sense, please listen carefully. So the encapsulation, that in the sense, secure data na, if now no one can access teacher utterance na, just double underscore I am using. That's all. Okay. Why, sir, double underscore you are using na? Then everything you should add a double underscore. Okay, inside la double underscore I am using. Okay. Why, sir, you are adding double underscore before that word na? The outside la no one can access your code. Okay, like if print la, I'm just using print la object to dot teacher utterance I am using, but double underscore I am using na, that name will not display, it's showing error. Okay, but outside la no one can access your name, it's showing error, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so teacher utterance, right? Yeah, that variable name. Okay, so that variable name you cannot access outside la. Okay, suppose I removed a double underscore now. I removed double underscore. Okay, print la object to dot t attendance. Okay, wait a minute. I remove the double underscore. Okay, now what t attendance, right? Now when I run that code now, wait a minute, I'll check. Okay, it's showing 80%, right? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Showing, sir.
But
Yes,
outside la,
But-
no one. But because if I have a you have a bank account, right? Your account number no one can access outside. Okay, inside la matunda, you inside the oops la they want to access. Okay, outside la no one can access, because I'm creating another one variable. I'm writing some other logic also, right? So that's the reason.
Yes.
Outside la no one access your code na, just double underscore you should mention. Okay, double underscore before that variable. Okay, and everything you double underscore na, inside la it's working, but outside the oops la it's not working. Clear? Clear, right?
Clear, sir.
This is called the encapsulation. Yes or no? Tell me, Gitan. Please take a photocopy. Please take a photocopy. So the double underscore, please mention your notebook. Double underscore, why we are using double underscore, please mention, note it down.
Yes, sir. Yeah, noted, sir.
Okay. So the next oops concept, please note it down. Polymorphism. Okay. What is polymorphism, sir? That in the sense, many functions. Sorry, many. Wait. Many forms using different. Different functions. Okay. Say, what is polymorphism? Na same method name using different classes. Please note it down. Same method name same method name using different classes okay, same method name using different
Not
classes.
noted, sir.
Okay, good. So one example, okay, the class is very easy one, okay. Class India, okay, sorry, India. So def this one again director you should write a code, okay, like India favorite sports self colon print lab. If India favorite sports is which one, tell me.
Cricket, sir.
India's favorite sport is cricket. Okay, so another one method, another one class I'm using, class, okay, Germany, okay, and def the same method name, the same method name that I should use, favorite sports. You understood, right?
Yes, sir.
Same method name using different classes, okay, self and Germany favorite sports is football, right?
Ha, sir.
Football, okay. The same thing, the another one, Pakistan, blah blah thing, whatever, okay. So now how to run this one? Object 1 equal to India, okay, India I'm calling. Object 2 equal to Germany, calling, okay. Object 1 dot favorite sports, now what output will come? Tell me. India favorite sports is
Cricket.
cricket will display.
Cricket.
That's all. At the same time, just changing the object name. Object 2 favorite sports.
Sir, object pine.
Sorry.
Yes.
Okay. Object 2 na, okay, Germany. Suppose object 1 na, India. Okay, India favorite sports will display. You understood, right?
Yes, sir. I understood, sir.
This topic na Zomato la, if you are choosing Germany na, sorry. Even Zomato you are using, right? You order something. But biryani na, biryani it's a same name. But different hotel names also display, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So Hyderabad biryani, Tamil Nadu biryani, South Indian biryani, okay. But the biryani is same, okay. So that logic now, okay. Please note it down. Please take a photocopy. So this is a polymorphism. This one you should write an example, okay, assignment.
Taken, sir.
Taken, right? Good. So now any doubt, you know, right? But now oops, right? It's a different types, right? It's a different structure, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The last oops concept is abstraction.
Income.
And abstraction, encapsulation, the double underscore.
Yes, sir. Abstraction.
Data abstraction. So the data abstraction to set a rule or hiding your data. Please note it down. To set a rule or hide your data. Sir, what is this one? Okay, like you should add one package library from ABC, import capital letter ABC. ABC means abstract class. Please note it down. Abstract class.
Noted, sir.
Noted, right? Okay,
Ah,
good.
sir.
So now abstract class, comma abstract method you should use this library. Then after that, I'm going to create one class. Okay, class like what is the logic now? If now which account number, which account you are using, a bank account, which bank you are using?
SBI, sir.
Okay, but the SBI la the main branch la, what is the first initial amount you have to pay? Like 500 something, right? Yes or no?
Five. Yes, sir. It's limit amount.
Yeah, it's a limit 500. The any branch
Yes, sir.
you are creating an application, you are creating a bank account, new bank account na, the 500 right mandatory, right?
Yes, sir. Mandatory.
Okay, if some other bank la they are asking for 1000 rupees na, you can complain, right? Yes or no? Because
Yes, sir.
main branch la they are setting one rule, 500 da as per limit na, every sub branch also will ask the 500 rupee only, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this one how to develop a real-time project. So that's the reason we are using which one? Abstraction. Clear?
Clear,
Okay,
sir.
so now class. Okay, class SBI main branch. Main branch. Okay, the main branch la you should set a ABC. Colon, click enter. Okay, now you have to create one rule. For rule number 1. Okay, self colon, click enter. Just pass I'm giving. Pass na it's a empty. Okay, the same method name da you should use. Okay, in before la at abstract method. Okay, you should set this one at abstract method, because then only this method name da everyone will use. Okay, clear? Or else rule na
Clear, sir.
okay, ask 500 rupees. This is my method name. Ask 500 rupees. So the same method name da you should use sub branch also. For class SBI sub branch. Sub branch branch 1. Sub branch 1, and this one la the SBI main branch I should call. Colon, click enter, and def ask 500 rupees na you should use. Clear? Okay, and
Clear,
print
sir.
la I follow the rules. I follow the rules. Okay, another branch I am using. Okay, another branch, sub branch 2, SBI sub branch 2. So the same method name that you should use as 500 rupees now. Okay, sub branch 2. This only SBI main branch I should call. Now I am going to run the code. Object 1 equal to SBI sub branch 1 I am just calling. Okay, okay, object 1 dot as 500 rupees na. Okay, yes, I follow the rules. Output will display. Correct, right? Okay.
Yes, sir. Correct, sir.
Suppose I am asking, I'm just changing the method name. 1000 rupees. Ask 1000 rupees for branch 2 na. It's completely wrong, right?
Yes, sir. It's wrong, sir.
Okay. Object 2 la I'm changing SBI sub branch. Object 1 la ask 1000 rupees. Ask 1000 rupees na. It will not display. Okay, it will not show. Okay, when I run that code now, what output will come? It's showing error. Can't initiate
Yes,
abstract class. Okay, because okay, in rule la you should set only ask 500 rupees da. The same name da you should use every function, every class la. But you are asking 1000 rupees na, that's the reason it's not accepting, it's showing error. So this is called a data abstraction. Clear or not?
Clear, sir.
Please take a photocopy. So this one you should write a code. Okay. Appo overall 5 assignment you should develop and send it to me. Clear?
Clear, sir.
Okay. So